Alright, in Inventor video number 9, I'd like to show you how to turn a project, either an IPT or an IAM file, into a blueprint. So to do this, I'm going to use that house IAM that we created in video 8, and we're going to turn that into a blueprint. So we're going to actually create a blueprint of this house. Alright, so what we need to do is go up here to New, and down here where it says Drawing, you're going to click on Standard IDW. And then you're going to hit Create. Alright, this is a blank blueprint form. The first thing we need to do is insert our project, and what you click is Base over here in the upper left hand side on the ribbon. Click on Base, and I'm going to kind of search through my files here and find House IAM. Just kind of holding it, no, I'm not clicking right now, I'm holding it over here. It looks like it should be an okay size, so I'm going to try that. And I'm going to kind of hold it where I think it should go and just kind of hit OK. And oops. I clicked it there. Then I'm going to bring it straight up and click again. Then I'm going to bring it straight over to this corner. See how it's in 3D here? And then I'm going to bring it straight down. Notice these lines that are kind of connecting it. You want it to be on that line. And I'm going to click. Then I'm going to right click and hit cancel. Oops. Alright, that was not the correct thing to do. Let's try that again. You need some time to try this again anyways. Every year this program changes a little bit. So I'm going to click on Base again, and I'm going to make sure that it is a house, and I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to bring it straight up over the corner, and then down, right click, and this time I'm going to hit Create. Alright, so here is my project, and I can still, see how there's the red dotted line? If I do that, I can still kind of move it around a little bit and adjust the different spacing of it. This is just like our blueprint. Here we have the house from the front, the top, the right side, and the 3D version. There's one thing that's missing from this right now, and that is our dimensions. So to do that, I actually need to, when I have the mouse right here with a dotted line showing, I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to click on Retrieve Dimensions down here, and I should just hit Select Dimensions, and then they pop up, and I want to try and click on every single one here, and there are quite a few. So you want to try and get every single one of them. Alright, once it looks like I have them all, I'm going to hit Apply. And then I'm going to go to my next view, the front view, and I'm going to hit Select Dimensions. And once again, I need to select all the dimensions that come into view. I don't see any others. Apply. Then come over to this view and select it. And by the way, when I select, I'm just hitting the left button on the mouse. Select Dimensions, and I need to now click all of the dimensions that are shown here. And I click Apply. Alright, looks like I've got all my dimensions. Notice if I click here and hit Select Dimensions, none will pop up, and that's okay. Close that button. Now, it might help to zoom in a little bit on your project here. Actually, if you grab the hand tool, you kind of move it around a little bit. And the reason you're going to want to do that is because you need to make these dimensions visible. Alright, click the hand to get it off the hand tool. I should be able to grab like this 0.1 dimension here and pull it out a little bit. Okay. it looks okay for that one. Let's grab the hand and go up to the top. Alright, here I see a lot of dimensions that are pretty crowded. So I'm going to pull these out a little bit so I can actually see what they are. It looks like I've got some sort of... not sure what's going on here. Oh, I see. That 0.1 is showing me the depth of this window. I'm actually going to pull it over to this side so I can see it a little better. Alright, I believe that's it for that side. Let's grab the hand tool and go to the final corner, which is way down here. The dimensions don't look so bad in this one, but I'm still going to pull them out so I can view them a little better. I know that this is supposed to be 0.55. This is kind of a difficult one to find a good place for. How about right there? It looks pretty good right there. This actually looks good right where it is, and that looks good right where it is. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my regular view here. Oops. Can I do that? Maybe not. Here we go. I just used the scroll key on my mouse to fix that. Alright, so that's about exactly what I want it to look like. Now I'm going to go up here to File and Save As. And it's called House again. It's just going to save as a drawing. And then I'm going to go to Print. When I hit Print, I have to make sure that I click on Best Fit. And then click OK, and it should print out here. One thing I want to point out to you is that when it prints, you'll be able to see who drew it. That'll have your lunch code right there where it says drawn, and right here it will have the date of today. Okay? It'll also say what the name of it is right there. Anything else you can add in. Actually, this box right here would be a great place to put your name. This place right here would be a great place to put a title if you have a different title other than this one. And that's it. Make sure that you print and also save.